So hi, so let's talk about the import wizard that comes with a storefront. So if you go to the import wizard, you can see that there is an upload file section where you can upload all your product data directly into your B2B storefront, that so that you can use it. So in your uploaded file, you have to prepare it like that. There is some simple data that I have prepared: is a product name, your description of product, your categories, your product code, like your SKUs, your price, and your sales price original and your sales price, so that it will be displayed as a strike through say prices, and here you can then upload the data into the system and import the result, and then the import result will be started. It will be uploaded.